Chapter 16: Email Marketing. In a world where social networks are constantly changing algorithms and advertising budgets are rising, email marketing remains one of the most reliable and profitable communication channels. It is your personal communication channel with your audience, independent of external platforms. But for emails to be opened and read, they must be personalized and useful, and this requires time and effort. This is where artificial intelligence can help you. Neural networks become your copywriter and marketer, helping to create sales-driven newsletters and personalize a huge number of emails. How AI transforms email marketing. AI helps with every stage of working with email, making it more swift, accurate, and effective. Idea and content generation. AI can come up with newsletter topics, write catchy headlines, and even create full email texts. Personalization. Neural networks can analyze data about your subscribers and suggest content that will be of interest to each specific person. Automation. AI helps create automated email chains, for example, to welcome new subscribers or to re-engage clients who have not been active for a long time. Performance analysis. AI tools can analyze which emails work best and suggest improvements. Creating sales-driven emails with AI. A sales-driven email is an email that prompts the reader to take action. AI handles this task perfectly if you use the right prompts. Catchy headlines. The headline is the first thing a subscriber sees. It must make them open the email. Prompt. Come up with 10 catchy headlines for an email newsletter about our online course on AI-powered design. The goal of the newsletter is to sell the course. The target audience is beginner designers and marketers. Email structure. For an email to be convincing, it must have a clear structure. Prompt. Develop the structure of a sales-driven email for a newsletter about the AI-powered design course. Include an introduction, a problem description, the solution, benefits, and a call to action. Writing the email text. Once the structure is ready, you can ask AI to write the text. Prompt. Write the text for an email based on this structure. The text should be friendly but professional in tone. Include 3 key benefits of using the AI-powered design online course. With these prompts, you can quickly create highly effective emails. Personalization and newsletter automation. For email marketing to be truly effective, emails must be personalized. Clients appreciate when you address them by name and offer content that matches their interests. First, you can use AI to create personalized emails based on data about your subscribers. Prompt. You are an email marketer. I have a list of subscribers who are at a webinar on copywriting. Write a short personalized email for them that offers them our full course on AI-powered copywriting. Insert the subscriber's name in the email and make the text as relevant as possible. Use AI to offer subscribers content that matches their interests. For example, if a person reads articles about design, send them emails about design. Second, automated email chains are the most powerful tool in email marketing. AI helps create them. Welcome series. When a new subscriber comes to your site, you can automatically send them a series of emails that introduce them to your brand, tell them about your products, and increase their loyalty. Reactivation of old clients. AI can help create a chain of emails that motivate subscribers who have not been active for a long time to return. You can request, write 3 emails to get back subscribers who have not opened my emails for the last 3 months. The email should be friendly and offer them something useful. Post-purchase email chains. AI can help you in creating a series of emails that are sent after a purchase. In them, you can thank the client, explain how to use the product, and offer them other products. These are just a few examples. With AI, you can create complex and effective email chains that will work for you 24/7. Monetization and scaling of email marketing. When you have a subscriber base and you know how to create newsletters with AI, it's time to turn that base into a source of stable income. A well-built email strategy is one of the most reliable ways to earn money. Your subscriber list is your most loyal audience. This is where you can directly sell your products and services created with AI. Online courses. You can announce your course on prompt engineering or SMM using a newsletter to attract the first clients. Guides and templates. Sell templates for prompts, email newsletters, or content plans created with AI. Freelance services. Use the newsletter to offer your services for content creation, copywriting, or SMM. AI will also help you write convincing emails to promote affiliate products. How it works. Use ChatGPT to analyze your partner's product and write a series of 3 emails that will gradually reveal its benefits and motivate subscribers to buy. You can scale your email marketing by using AI to manage a large subscriber base. Segmentation. AI can help you segment your audience by interests, activity, or behavior. This allows you to send the most relevant emails and increase conversion. A/B testing. AI helps in testing different versions of a newsletter. For example, neural networks can analyze which headlines or email texts work better and suggest optimal options for the newsletter. Conclusion. Email marketing is one of the most reliable communication channels. It gives you direct access to your audience, allowing you to turn subscribers into loyal clients. With AI, you can turn it into a powerful sales machine that will work for you around the clock. You create a trusting communication channel with your audience, which is the foundation of any successful business.